Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're with La Hermanita.
Hey guys.
Nano. We came to, guess where we at? Ikea. We came to Ikea. This is the first time we come to Ikea. We're excited. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share the video if you can. Comment down below. Freshly baked cookies. Right there. Espérate. So guys, let's start the video. We're gonna get a bag to go shopping. A ver qué nos encontramos. No? Okay. We got this. Just in case. ¿Y esto para qué es? ¿Nos llevamos un lápiz de recuerdo? ¿Ah? ¿Quieres? Guys, we're really excited to be here.
Make notes.
Make notes.
My home from
We're ready. We're gonna go up this stair. Watch out! Watch out! Go, mommy. Here we go. Mírala.
over there.
Big girl for sure.
Oh, you're gonna go up? You could go up.
Oh, dang!
920.
A complete bedroom?
Yeah, for under 920.
This is such a nice bedroom. Love it. Look at this, so cute. 130. A little circus. Y aquí está el greenery, Gabriela. El greenery. Oh, this would look nice.
I want one like uno de esos que vaya creciendo.
Like, you want the real ones?
Yeah.
That was nice too. There's a lot of rooms here.
Let's look at the kitchen.
Let's look at the kitchen.
Alright, ¿qué queda numerito o what?
Huevo time. Mira, let's see. Wow. Look at that.
Grab a banana. Grab a banana.
Dile, híjame.
Mario? Samantha, you want a juice?
That's it. That's it, bro. Seiji, mommy,
Dale, tía.
go get a carrot. Eat all your carrots.
Una sentada en la cabeza, un jarro de agua.
Look at how nice. Seriously. It's so nice.
Nothing, mommy.
If only we could have the table like that. Un bolillo, a ver, let me see it. I'll see. I want a croissant, please. Oh.
Where does it tell you to go?
Now we're in the living room area. Look at CJ. A mi mami de cheese. Oh, esa blanket está bonita. The pink one. I'm loving it. Now I want to take it. Doesn't say? No. It's cute. Oh, Nami wanted to take several things. Sage over there. Mami de cheese. Hi there. Dile a mi mami.
I'm not there, I'm mommy. No, you're not my mommy. My mommy's shopping.
She's what?
She's shopping.
Perfect little room. The little kitchen. The window.
Wow, is it your size?
Maybe.
Maybe. The little bed. Oh my god, the bed is so cute.
Right.
No, Mommy, I found it. Too bad. I only just sleeping. I make
It's so cute.
Oh no, I have to make my dinner.
I have to make my dinner.
You have to make dinner. Ready to
Mommy, that's it. Mommy, that's
Okay. We're like in heaven right now. And here's another room. And then it's like a little bathroom moment.
Time to shower.
Time to shower.
All right, who's showering? Come here so I can shower you.
Where, Mommy?
You showering, Nana?
Yeah.
Okay.
Too hot! Too hot! Too hot!
The little potty.
So it's done. So you
In the little children's Ikea place. Oh my god, there's so many cute things. This is like a jungle theme. Then there's this one. And then there's this one. And then we have this one. This is so cute. Loving it.
I need to do my homework.
Oh, you need to do your homework? A little snack moment.
Pizza.
Hot dog. Cinnamon roll. We're waiting on our pizza slices. And this is what we got.
Without this.
There's donuts. Yum. And the pizza's ready. Mami, mira.
Pizza. Mommy.
Starbucks time. What do you want? I want a strawberry acai refresher.
What size?
Venti
Can I get a venti strawberry acai refresher?
with venti
Venti?
with raspberry
You want lemonade with it?
You want lemonade or apple juice?
apple juice.
Apple juice instead of water.
Apple juice instead of water.
Okay.
And raspberry pumps?
Yeah,
How many?
2.
Can I get 2 raspberry pumps in it?
Raspberry puff.
Yes. And easy ice.
Okay. Anything else?
It's gonna be 2 of those.
These exact drink.
Yes.
Alright.
No, if you want something that's good.
You all free today?
And then do you guys have the grilled cheese?
We do.
Can I get one of those?
Okay guys, that is going to be it for today's mini vlog. Like always, I forget to do the outro. It's either the intro or the outro. But that is it for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. And last but not least, press that bell icon. That way you get notified when I upload new videos in the future. With that being taken care of, guys, I'll see you all on the next one. Guys, share the channel, share my videos, please. And that's all I'm gonna say. Bye.